So today we're out here backfilling behind a bulkhead. But whether you're backfilling behind a bulkhead or you're backfilling or just raising your yard, really, when you're filling in with loose dirt like this, there is an art to making sure you don't have an issue. Now in the construction field, you always hear, we want 95 compaction rate. What does that mean? It's 95% of what original undisturbed soil would have been. That's the stuff God put in the ground that we haven't messed with yet. This is messed with. We're not going to get it back to 100%. But the trick is you don't try to do 12, 16, 18-inch lifts. Keep it 6 to 8 inches. Use a vibrating skid plate. Use rollers. Use anything that's heavy that can go over it to pack the dirt down. And what happens as you're going over it, that load kind of spreads out, and that's the reason you can only go 6 to 8 inches. If you try to go too far, the bottom portion never gets compacted. That's where you see settlement, and that's when it's got to be redone again. Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.